Hello there, my good viewers. Once again, welcome to my channel. And I've taken some bit of time without sharing videos on hydroponics. And basically, I'm sharing pretty the same kind of systems. I've developed new systems. I've also changed a few systems, as you see. But here we just want to illustrate what you can grow in hydroponics. Basically here what we have is lettuce and pak choy. Some people call it the Chinese cabbage. So on this tower we have those two plants, pak choy and lettuce. So you can see how the tower is built. We also have some vertical towers here, a mini tower over there, as you can see, made from very simple materials, just a pipe and a bucket, old basins. You can use the basin as well. You can see this tower. The tall tower can plant up to 40 plants. As you can see, it has 40 grow holes. And this is the future of farming, because just imagine if you are planting horizontally, you need a lot of space. But here now you are planting going up or upwards. Yes, then we have more vertical towers. As you can see, where that gentleman is standing, there are more vertical towers which plant up to 800 different plants. We have pak choy there, and we also have lettuce. And yes, this is the future of farming, which does not require a lot of effort. Just feed the plants with the nutrients they need, and it makes life easy. There's no weeding, doesn't consume a lot of water. So the systems that I've developed, some are based on pumps, some are based on passive. They don't need a pump. There's another system here which is again vertical. This looks small, but it plants close to 30 plants. It has 40 grow holes. You can see here it is having a few lettuce in it. So farming is going to be modernized in the sense that most people will start what we call urban farming, where they can cultivate maybe vegetables using these systems of farming. When you put this kind of application or this kind of setup at your balcony, you'll be able to plant and cultivate your leaf vegetables or herbs, because you can as well plant herbs. This system, I've dismantled it. I'm going to kind of make it have two vertical setup. Then there is this one here. It's also very good. Of course, we are challenged by the shade of the trees, but again, you can see we have pak choy here. It's growing very, very, very well. This is pak choy, which is very big, and the effort here is almost zero. We just put water in a tank which keeps on saturating, and you leave the rest to grow automatically. We have a vertical system here. It is for about 45 plants. You can see the beauty about vertical farming, that you growing up, not horizontal. Vertical farming is the future that is being embraced in most of the economies, as it also aligns with the United Nations development goals, the SDGs, where we are trying to conserve the environment. In this regard, you don't need to cut trees to plant vegetables, you don't need to have a very piece of land to grow food. Of course, not everything can grow hydroponically, but at least some of these foods, plants or herbs can be grown using hydroponic system. Here we have again pak choy. Some people call it pok choy. Some others call it the Chinese cabbage. As you can see, it is doing quite well, and it grows very fast. Food grown in a hydroponic system grows, I think, most likely, according to what I've seen, it is 2 times faster. It grows very, very fast, and it doesn't have any kind of pesticides we apply. And if we can achieve such growth without a greenhouse, it means when we go to greenhouse, the performance will be amazing, because here, of course, you can see those arrow stickers. We are trying to catch a few insects, flies, or pests. We catch most of them using these sticky yellow stickers. You have seen some yellow stickers hanging purposely to catch the insects that would attack our plants. Yeah, this is the future of farming, as I keep on saying, and we need to embrace it. The population is growing. By the year 2050, I think the population will have touched close to 10 trillion. That will be a very big number of people. But remember, the arable land, land that can be used for cultivation, is not expanding. So that's why we need to devise ways of growing food to feed the growing population. And the technology is there. The technology can be embraced. This is a poco choy. As you can see, it is it's growing based on hydroponics. This is is a flowing hydroponic system. It has a very small pump which powers water, moves water through the system, and you can see the stems are very healthy, so you can always get your healthy foods from your hydroponic systems. This one is based on what we call water gutters. Water gutters are used to collect water from the roof, as you've seen this house, my house. There are water gutters up there, but we need to learn the concept of repurposing. As much as water gutters were made for construction, but they can also be used for farming. Pipes were made for, again, construction, to manage drainage, to be used in plumbing, but again, we need to repurpose. And this is what we are doing here. And you can see loads of pipes. I'm running out of space, and my plan is to move to a greenhouse. There is another little system here. It has planting capacity of about 30 plants. Very simple, very easy to make. It is based on a 4-inch pipe, and yeah, why not? We need to support this growing mechanism. Assuming each household had this kind of setup on a balcony, you realize that people will be able, first of all, to save money they spend on buying vegetables in the market. They also become more healthy, and things will be moving in the right direction to support issues of climate change, which is becoming a challenge. So this is what I had to share for this video, and yeah, I'm showing you this again. There's another one here to conclude with. that I'm making. It's about a capacity of, it has a capacity of about 30 plants. Thank you. Bye.